Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Zosi camera keeps going offline again and again. So Zosi cameras go offline mainly due to the network issues and not hardware. So first of all, you need to check if your camera or NVR is automatically connected to the internet. You can go into the system settings and then you can basically test the network status. If it shows not connected, you can check the Ethernet cable. You can restart the router and recorder and make sure that the internet is stable. The wrong network configuration is one of the most common causes of the offline status. Now, if you are using a wireless Zosi camera, the signal strength is critical. So if the camera is too far from the router, it may connect for a few minutes and then disconnect repeatedly, or it may show offline completely. So you can move the camera closer and test it. If it works, you will need a Wi-Fi extender or better placement. Walls, metals, and the interference can weaken the signals significantly. If your camera keeps going offline randomly, you can check the power, the loose cables, faulty adapters, low battery, even small power drops can disconnect the camera. So make sure that the power is stable and all connections are tight. Now the modern routers can silently block your camera. So you can check these settings. Make sure that the strict firewall or the allow camera IP is disabled. Make sure that the DHCP is enabled and avoid any IP conflicts. If the camera gets the wrong IP or is blocked, it will appear offline even though it is powered on. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can also do a quick reset. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. So when you do this, it is also going to help clearing minor on offline related issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.